everyone. In this video I will going to demonstrate how to create joint measurement sheet in ERP. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to project. Then click on joint measurement sheet, which is a sub menu of project finance. In order to create new joint measurement sheet in the system, click on create button. Here you will select the project name for which you are making the joint measurement sheet. As soon as you will select the project, all the details like project in charge, customer and the created by person name will come here. In bill type you will select your bill type, whether it is a first bill or running bill. Here I am selecting the case of first bill. Now in measurement period you will enter the measurement period for this particular joint measurement sheet. Here you can enter the client supervisor name. Now click on save button. Now click on fetch button in order to fetch all the activities within this period of time, measurement period of time. As you can see, there is one BOQ SOR is showing in that particular period of time. Now click on submit for approval button in order to submit it for approval. Coordinator has a right to validate this particular joint measurement sheet by clicking on validate button, or they can reset to draft if they find any thing which is not relevant for this joint measurement sheet. Now click on validate button in order to validate this particular joint measurement sheet. Now here you can see the status of this particular joint measurement sheet isn't validated now. This is how you can create GMS or joint measurement sheet.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.